Hi everyone, my name is Ranjit and today we are going to perform few labs in managing with the Terraform that is in the cloud with the GCP cloud. So here I'm performing one of the lab that is we are going to deploy Kubernetes load balancer services with Terraform. So let's start work on this lab. Okay, so deploying load balancer service stream with Terraform. So what we are going to do in this Terraform provided in the last string of this lab is Kubernetes. We are going to set up a Kubernetes cluster and deploy load balancer type Nginx service will be running on it. Okay, so you have some experience in Kubernetes services and Kubernetes ATL, so that's very small needed. So let's go and click start. Let me verify. Okay, yeah, I'm in correct page. Okay, it's taking few minutes. So what we are going to perform, we are going to deploy Kubernetes load balancer service with the Terraform. Okay, so we got our GCP dashboard and now let's start the Cloud Shell. Okay, it's provisioning. Yeah, we can authorize. I will open it in a new. Okay, let's authorize. It will be easy, right? We will have large screen. Sorry. Okay, we got our cloud terminal. So let's see the project ID count, I mean. Okay, so our account is already selected. Student, we are using the partner lab, so we are getting the default. By default, details are already selected. Okay, now let's go to the first one. So we are logged in. We are in the necessary password. That's or not. It's already logged in. We are in the cloud cell. Okay, let's go side. Yeah, we have verified. It is there. So to verify the project, that also we can find. So command is gcloud config list project. Okay, so this is our project ID, right? Qclabs. That's good. Now, okay, Kubernetes services. So what is services? So service is a group of pods that are running on the cluster. So we have to define that it's a group of pods that run the clusters. Services are cheap and you can have many services within cluster. Yes, we can have a number of services within the cluster. And yeah, Kubernetes services can effectively power on a Microsoft architecture. Services provide important features and across so load balancing, service deploy between application, discovery between application, and features to support zero downtime application. So these are some of the features which provide the services inside the Kubernetes. Okay, so each service has a pod labeled query. It's very important point. Like each service, so that using this only they will communicate. So pod label, which define the ports will process the data service. The labels called frequently match ports created by one or more replicated control. Okay, so why we are doing with this Terraform? That is where I mean, why we need to go with the Terraform for this setup? So the here answer is that kubectl or similarly based mapped API calls to manage all Kubernetes service described in YAML files orchestrated with the Terraform present few bits. So YAML, this is the main thing. Kubernetes resources are in YAML and Terraform we also use in YAML. And another is one language. So one language can be used in cloud infrastructure and deploy application drift detection. So when we apply plan, right? So before changes, it will show you what will be going to change so that you can verify before it get implemented using the Terraform plan. Okay. Full cycle management, Terraform does not initially create resource, but offers a single command to create, update, and delete track resource without needing to inspect the API through the resource. So yeah, fully we can manage, right? And synchronous feedback, while asynchronous very often sometimes is a counter productivity as a job and operation result is left to the user. Okay, so just give me a few minutes. Yeah, yeah, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. Okay, so let's start it. So we have in Cloud Shell, we have to copy this code. This is a Google already have coded. So let's copy it. So currently, let's verify. If you see there's nothing, only readme test file. And if I paste, so G using gsutil -m cpr, copy from this one cp-r, that is to copy all the things from this given path. So you can see now list it. So CK, you can, there's a lot of files we got download, for the Docker file, studio codes, npm cat, Gemini, TFS. This is the uh, TFS file, load balancer service. Okay, so that's fine. That's good. Now, so as per it, yeah, we need to go to the directory. So it is the directory, right? This one. So cd tf. Let's go. So where I am, I'm under the directory of tfgke Kubernetes Services dot load balancer. So in this we have you can see Terraform files main.tf version Kubernetes KF test.h. So what version Terraform we have existing that we can check now for my version. Okay, so this one is Terraform 1.5.7, which is older version. If you see it's you can see it. The version is out of date. The latest version is 1.14. Remember, in interview they will some ask what is the. It's a simple question, but you sometime you will get confused, right? I mean, you maybe not remember. So when like what version we have Terraform, that is 1.14.1. Okay, so we can update, but for this lab, this is fine. Apart from that, let's verify this K8. Okay, so this is the Kubernetes cluster file, load creating the load balancer and services. Right. Okay, so version 1.0. So it's very older version. Okay, Kubernetes very older version, but still we can go ahead and we will try with that. So this is C. Let's go through it first. Token client creating resources. We are calling the resource Nginx, the network, and then the Kubernetes name we are giving session, load balancer, selector, metadata specific Nginx, the latest services we are going to use. I mean, that is Nginx. We are going to the service. Okay. So let's apart from that, main. So this one also important file. So Here you can see we have declared variables. Always we need to declare the variables. This is for the region of the resource. This is for the location. This one is the network name we have given. And provider, who is the provider? We are using GCP. So Google. If it's AWS, so we can mention as AWS, or if it's Kubernetes, so we have to mention as Kubernetes like that. Region, var dot region. So we have already defined that region. It means resource, Google Compute Network default. So that is the compute running. Okay, it's calling it. And then we are giving the name var dot network dot name. Auto create subnetwork. That is false. We are not creating the subnetwork. Okay, so subdivision var time Google and compute networks. So you can check it after that as well. Uh, okay, so now let's Terraform init. So if you see, we have verified everything. Now cat also we have verified. Now it's time to initialize. We need to initialize the work directory, right? So we need to initialize the work directory. So which command we use? That is, we are using Terraform init. Let's see. So what we'll do, init command will activate the uh, like you can see plugins, whatever the plugins are needed by the cloud, which is here we are using GCP, right? So you can see it's Kubernetes matching version, finding latest version of Asika, installing version Ashika. So whatever the dependencies it will get installed. Here we are getting a warning that it's very odd. You can see Terraform 1.0 earlier allowed version constraints and the provider block, but this is deprecated. So very older version was it's allowed, but it's deprecated. So what we can do, see, I already performed this lab. We got the error. So what I will do, I will change the version Kubernetes to 2.5.10.1. I think. Okay, so get sorry, not so okay. So yeah, here we have. Let me verify. Okay, so yeah, I use yeah, one sec. Fine. That is sorry. Now my mistake. It's not 51. It's 35. Zero. Okay, so that we can modify. Let's save it. Now I will make these changes. So it's better to run in it. Okay, that's fine. 2.35 is good. Not let's make it previous version. So we have made the changes, so we can run like Terraform init. Great. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's fine. Now, after that initialization, we need to apply. So, but before applying, we need to give region as well. We need to give region where it need to be right. So region and equal to the location. Terraform apply and where equal to region. Equal to US West. Okay, Terraform apply and where Terraform. Terraform apply hyphen where region equal to US hyphen West one. It's fine. And then we have to go with the where that location. So the same US West hyphen B. Let's verify. So where location where equal to location US hyphen West one hyphen B. Okay. So let's enter. So it will take 5 minutes. Okay. So it's asking the perform the describe. So after before applying, see it will show you, right? It will ask you like what are the changes are going to be happen. So it's not time. So everything is will whatever you plus see symbol you see that will get added. Okay. So yeah, I will go with the yes. Okay. So our resource completed, 7 resource added. And here you can see network. So now list out our that's we have created the Kubernetes services. Okay. Now let's go to the dashboard, verify. So go to the Kubernetes engine and then go to the gateway and services networking, right? Let's go first. So here we have cluster and in this cluster, let's see. Yeah, I need to go cluster, right? I go to the gateway and services. Inside the cluster, I need to go with network services. It's not showing. Okay, here we have services cluster, right? So what it shows, let's verify. And services. Go to the services. Okay, here we are right now. If I click the endpoints, yeah, we are getting the page. So load balancer is working fine. And we got our Nginx services running. So we have successfully completed our lab. If you see, deploy infrastructure with Terraform. Yeah, we have completed. Okay. So great. We have completed our sit task, this one. So thank you. We will see another lab and keep you updated. Thank you again. Bye.